Welcome, please hit the subscribe button. Ever wonder why some guys effortlessly occupy a woman's thoughts while others get forgotten after the first date? Welcome back to our channel, please hit the subscription button to support the channel. Today I'm revealing the psychological secrets that make women think about you constantly. And trust me, it's not what most men think. Picture this scenario. You meet an amazing woman, have a great time together, but then she starts losing interest. Sound familiar? Most guys make the same critical mistakes that push women away instead of drawing them closer. But what if I told you there are specific strategies that can make you irresistible and unforgettable? The foundation of occupying someone's mind isn't about being the nicest guy or showering her with attention. It's about creating the right emotional dynamics that naturally make her curious and invested in you. Let me share the 4 game-changing strategies that will transform how women perceive and think about you. Strategy number 1 is breaking predictability patterns. Here's what most men get wrong. They think consistency means texting good morning and good night every single day. They believe being reliable means always responding immediately. This predictable behavior actually kills attraction faster than anything else. Women are naturally drawn to men they can't completely figure out. When you're too predictable, you become boring and forgettable. Instead, create healthy uncertainty. If you normally text her every morning, skip a day or 2. If you usually respond within minutes, sometimes take a few hours. This isn't about playing games or being manipulative. It's about showing that you have a full, interesting life beyond her.
The psychology behind this is simple.
When someone can't predict your behavior, their brain works overtime trying to understand you. This mental effort automatically makes you more memorable and intriguing. You want her wondering about your next move, not knowing exactly what to expect from you. Strategy number 2 involves mastering the art of strategic mystery. Social media has ruined this for most men. They post every meal, every location, every thought throughout the day. This constant oversharing eliminates all mystery and makes you incredibly predictable. Instead, become selectively private about your activities.
Don't document every moment of your life online.
Let her imagination fill in the gaps about what you're doing and who you're with. This uncertainty creates a powerful psychological effect called the curiosity gap, where her mind automatically tries to solve the mystery of your life. Strategic disappearing acts work incredibly well when done correctly. Take a day to respond to her messages, then send something brief like, "Had an amazing day, hope yours was great too. Talk soon." This shows you have priorities beyond her while maintaining just enough connection to keep her interested. Strategy number 3 is the strategic withdrawal technique. After establishing initial attraction, temporarily become less available. This doesn't mean disappearing for weeks or being rude. It means showing that you have other important things demanding your attention. Spend 3 to 4 days being less responsive. Don't ignore her completely, but be noticeably less engaged. Reply to her texts with shorter messages. Take longer to respond. Show through your actions that while you enjoy her company, she's not your entire world. During this period, her mind will start racing with questions. What is he doing that's so important? Is he seeing someone else? Why isn't he giving me his usual attention? This uncertainty triggers something called intermittent reinforcement, which actually strengthens her attraction to you. The key is timing. Don't withdraw immediately after meeting her, and don't stay away too long. 3 to 4 days is the sweet spot that creates curiosity without seeming like you've lost interest entirely. Strategy number 4 focuses on strategic re-engagement. After your strategic withdrawal period, re-enter her life with purpose. Don't just start texting normally again. Make your return meaningful by suggesting concrete plans to meet up. When you reach back out, focus the conversation on her experiences rather than explaining where you've been. Ask about her week, her projects, her thoughts. This shows genuine interest while maintaining some mystery about your own activities. Here's the crucial part. Don't schedule something by suggesting plans for several days in the future. Say something like, "I'm swamped until Thursday, but I'd love to take you to that new restaurant Friday evening. Are you free around 7? This approach serves multiple purposes. It shows you're genuinely busy with important things. It gives her time to anticipate seeing you again. It demonstrates that when you do make time for her, it's intentional and special. The psychological principle at work here is called the scarcity effect. When something becomes harder to obtain, we naturally value it more. By making your time and attention somewhat scarce, you automatically become more valuable in her mind. Remember, these strategies work because they tap into fundamental human psychology. We're naturally drawn to people who challenge us, intrigue us, and can't be easily understood or controlled. When you become predictable and overly available, you lose the mystery that initially attracted her. The goal isn't to be manipulative or play cruel games. It's about maintaining your own life, priorities, and independence while building genuine connection. Women are attracted to men who have their own interesting lives, goals, and boundaries. If you apply these strategies consistently, you'll notice a dramatic shift in how women respond to you. They'll start initiating conversations more often. They'll ask when they can see you again. They'll think about you throughout their day because you've become genuinely intriguing rather than just another predictable guy. The real secret is becoming someone worth thinking about by living an interesting, purposeful life that doesn't revolve entirely around any one person.